So this was a pretty cool museum. This was apparently the old John Deere factory. And it had a ton of tractors on display, a ton of attachments. There was so much history here. My daughters absolutely loved roaming around and looking at all these equipment that have been produced over the years. It was truly very educational. I enjoyed seeing a lot of these old tractors. I mean, look at this one. This one even had like angle iron for the wheels. And you can clearly tell this is pretty ancient. The girls were so tempted to touch everything, and everything said, please do not touch. Now take a look at this old John Deere. Wow. Look at the pegs that are on these wheels to move that tractor forward. It was unreal. These are some old classic John Deeres everybody knows about. Green, yellow, big, strong. Look at this machine. This thing's a tank. Here's another oldie. Look at that. Man, you don't see any of these anywhere. This has got to be like one of the first for sure. Ooh, look at that thing. Ooh, that seat had to be uncomfortable. Nice John Deere here. I love the green and yellow. Green and yellow, green and yellow. Ooh, ooh, ooh.